Hello everyone, welcome back to Locked and Loaded in Las Vegas. The lock we're going to talk about today is the Master Lock Pro Series 6840, and we're going to get loaded on 1792 small batch bourbon whiskey. One of my favorite whiskeys recently. A little bit about our lock. It's got a brass body, it's meant for commercial and maritime use, so that does provide a little bit of corrosion resistance for being out in the elements. It's got a boron alloy shackle, it does provide a little bit of cut resistance. Nothing is cut proof, but it is a little stronger. It's got ball bearings as locking pawls, so you're not going to be able to shim it by shoving things down the shackle holes here. It has a 5-pin removable core with security pins inside. Once we're done opening it, we're going to take it apart, see what's inside. Take a look at our key real quick. There's our bitting. Nothing too crazy. You can see 1, 2, and 3 have a low cut there, and spot number 4 has a high cut, followed by a little bit low cut in pin 5. Nothing too crazy, but if you're new to picking, this might present some sort of challenge. For my pick, I'm going to be using a multi-pick PN06 standard hook. And we're going to do top of the keyway tension with a multi-pick SP13. Let's see what it takes to get inside. All the way to the back. Find number 5. Click out of 5. Click out of 4. I think I overset somebody. Let's reset and start again. Back to the back. 5, 4, a little bit of core movement there. 3, dropped into a deep false set. 2 has some counter rotation, deeper false set. See if we can find pin number 1 here. Back to 3. Got our counter rotation there. Good counter rotation on 1, I think 1 set. It keeps dropping on me. Heard a bunch of pins drop. Let's reset real quick. There we go, deep false set. There we go, now we got open. Grab my beautiful green pinning tray from 3D Locksport. Take it apart by using an Allen key down the shackle hole. One thing I found humorous from Master Lock's website advertising this lock is they said their 5 security pin core makes this virtually pick proof. Did have to reset a couple times, but definitely not pick proof there. I do have the key, so I'm going to lock this back up. All right, let's see what we got. Standard pin in number 1, standard number 2, standard in number 3 and 4, who jumped out a little early, standard in number 5. Nothing crazy going on in the core. Let's see what we got going on in the Bible. Spool in number 1, spool in number 2, spool in number 3, spool in number 4, and last but not least, lightly serrated in number 5. Springs are all uniform. Let's set all these up. All right, you guys a close-up of the pins here. 4 spools, 1 very lightly serrated. Basically a standard pin, but it does have a couple serrations in there. I always wonder why Master Lock does that instead of using the American Lock deeply serrated pins, but they choose what they choose. Thank you for watching my videos today. Remember, when you're practicing lock picking, make sure you're using only locks that you own yourself or have explicit permission to pick. Never pick a lock that is actively in use because you could damage it, leading to costly repairs. Make sure you're following your local laws. Lockpicking can be a very fun hobby. Make sure you're keeping it legal. Cheers. Thanks for watching.